This is DongCheng Power Tools from GZ Industrial Supplies. So today we are going to unbox the DongCheng Magnetic Drill DJC23. You can see over here you have your manual. It's your manual. It's your manual. You have your B16 drill bits. It's your bits. Here you have your cutter bits. Depth of 32 mm. Flat chunk head size. And you have your key, your trunk key. And this is a trunk head. This is a trunk head. B16 trunk head. 3 to 16 mm. And you have your tank. This is your coolant tank. Or you say the coolant bottle. And over here, this is the guy. Oh. And you have your handle sets. And you have your trunk set. This is the DongCheng DJC23 Magnetic Drill. So we are going to set up this guy, and this is your belt. We're going to set up this guy and test it to see how it goes. Let's see what we have in the manual here. You have your brush, DJC23. You have your brush, DongCheng. You have your Allen key. You have your Allen key. And your pin drill. And your manual. This is your user manual from DongCheng in GZ Industrial Supplies. So we're going to set this guy up and we'll test it to see how it goes. So first thing, you put your manual, your handle. This is it. So over here, you have your power button. This is the power button to on the machine, and then this is the power switch for over here. This goes here. This is your coolant tank, like I said, or your coolant bottle, which will help to cool when you're drilling on a metal. Okay, this goes here. You can see it. Is your holder. It goes down here. But before you put that, then this goes here. Now your bit, metal bit, goes here. It's your Allen key to tighten it. So it's set. You can see our DongCheng DJC23 is set. It can go. We're going to test run it and see how it goes. Okay, so first you plug your cord into your extension. Like I said, this is the power button to keep the machine on. And then to run the machine, the motor actually, these are the buttons. This is the stop button and this is the start button. So let's see how this goes. This is a 1500 watts magnetic drill machine from DongCheng. So you can still reach us from GZ Industrial Supplies. We are going to deliver to you wherever you are in Nigeria. We are reliable. We are in Lagos, we are in Abuja, we are in Calabar, we are in Port Harcourt. So we'll go on our sites. You can call us on the numbers on our sites. Thank you.